Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I will fix the issue to solve Telegram problem that this channel cannot be displayed. So let's just say you have any type of channels that you are trying to access but you cannot access it. So the only issue could be due to regional restrictions, and how to fix it? Simply use a proxy. You can head over to your settings. There you can search for proxy. You can see we have different type of settings showing up. So what we need to do is simply head over to our proxy settings. So you can search in here for proxy and enable proxy. You can see we have let me just fix this. Okay, we got a proxy. You can use a proxy. You can use it for calls as well. And once you enable this, I'm pretty sure that it is going to be helping, but what you can also do is apply a VPN of your choice, and then most probably you will be able to switch into your proxy. So that is how you can fix the issue of this channel cannot be displayed. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.